Hey guys, it's Justine, and a huge thank you to Google for sponsoring this video. So if you saw my last video, then you know that we checked out the Pixel 9 lineup, and those phones were absolutely amazing. Definitely check that video out if you haven't already. But today, we've got something that takes things to a whole new level. This is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And for my first 200 viewers, if you use the code IJustine at checkout, you'll get $50 off your purchase on the new Pixel 9 phones. I am so excited about this. This foldable beauty comes with everything that we've loved about the Pixel 9 series with the innovation of a foldable display. So I can't wait to take this out and about. Also, don't forget, you can shop this right here from this video. YouTube shopping is pretty cool. So first things first, we need to unbox this. I can't wait. It looks so awesome. It's wild because it looks almost identical to the actual Pixel 9 when you're just looking at the box, but it folds. Here it is. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm so hyped about this. Look at it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's even got like the frosted glass. Look how massive that display is. Whoa, okay, this is awesome. Like, this honestly feels just like the Pixel 9, but you then have this massive display. Wow, this is so nice. I also love this color. It's got the really nice details kind of around the edge, the hinge here, and even around the camera bump. It looks so good. So you've also got a USB-C cable, some paperwork, all of the usuals. All right, let's turn it on and get this all set up. Look at it. Oh, it's so cool. We've got both sides booting up. This just feels so nice in the hand. Welcome to my Pixel. Let's get started. Okay, it is all set up, and even just the setup process, like using this, I'm in love. It's interesting because I feel like people are always a little sus of foldable devices until you actually use one. It's just like, look, okay, here's a normal phone. I can do my normal everyday tasks, and then I open this up, and it's like I've got a whole new world. They look very similar, but different. Oh man, they all just look so good together. Like, they did such a good job of kind of combining everything and just making it look so seamless. My first impressions, if you love the design of the Pixel 9 Pro, then you're gonna absolutely just be blown away and obsessed with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, because when it's folded, it's the similar size, but as soon as you unfold this thing, as you saw, you get this huge 8-inch display that's perfect for multitasking, gaming, or just watching some videos. The hinge is also really smooth, and it's so cool because it's basically like you have two devices in one. You've got your standard Pixel phone and a mini tablet. The Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold share the same Tensor G4 processor and 16 gigs of RAM. So performance-wise, you're getting basically the same powerhouse experience, but the Fold gives you that extra screen space, which is a game changer for productivity and entertainment. So one of my favorite things is being able to use the back camera. Now with this, I can just switch this to do a rear camera selfie. So here we go, try rear camera, switch screens. This now switches back here. So now this gives you the perfect view of what the back-facing camera looks like without just having to guess. Just don't forget to look over at the camera and don't look at the screen, because the eye contact, it's not gonna match up. And then if you wanna switch it back to the other view, click right there, and we are back. Gemini, this is Google's AI assistant, and it's deeply integrated into these new Pixel 9 phones. You can use images, you can talk to it, you can type to it. There's an excessive heat warning in Los Angeles right now. What should I do to prepare?
Stay cool and hydrated. Limit outdoor activities. Try to stay indoors during the hottest parts of the day.
On that note, we're gonna go outside and film. So now I'm gonna test out Gemini here outside. I'm gonna snap a photo. I'm gonna attach that to my prompt, and now I'm going to use my voice. What type of plant is this?
Based on the image, the plant appears to be an echeveria. It's a popular succulent known for its rosette-shaped leaves and vibrant colors. It's difficult to pinpoint the exact species without more information.
One of the things that I do like is it doesn't tell me, hey, this is exactly what this is. It's hard to determine. It gives you some suggestions. That's my biggest complaint with AI, is it sometimes is too confident. It gets a little cocky, and it's like, hey, oh yeah, this is a whatever. And it turns out it's actually not. So the fact that it's giving us a little bit of doubt kind of actually makes me feel better. But yeah, judging by these photos, it looks to be correct. So this Add Me feature is probably one of my favorite. This is really great if there's a few people and you don't have someone to take a photo for you. So you can have the photographer take the photo of you and some friends, and then they step out of the frame, you step in, they take an image, and then basically the two photos are magically merged together. It's so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of Nathan right now. Now you come over here and you're gonna take a picture of me.
Oh, cool. Let's see if it did it.
Okay, let's see. It looks like I'm there, but I'm not. I'm absolutely not. I love testing out new cameras because of the video. So this is really great because it has a 0.5, a 1, a 2, and a 5x zoom. So let's really get zoomed in. Let's see how close we can get. Oh yeah, we're all the way over there. We've also got those same zoom options for photos. 0.5, 1, 2, 5, and let's see, we can zoom all the way to 20x. What's really cool is we can take this into post, and I can even do like a super, it's basically, I'm gonna call it super res zoom, because I can go into edit, zoom enhance. We're gonna enhance this water fountain here. It did such a great job of just keeping everything super smooth, really bringing out the detail in the grass. Another feature that I love is being able to basically magic eraser people out. This woman was being not so nice to her dog, so we're gonna get her out of the shot. It knew we wanted her to go away. Tap it. And then let's get rid of the rest of the dog. And before you know it, the dog is also gone. The macro photo and videos on this thing is so cool. It really does give you an all new perspective of whatever it is that you're trying to take a photo of. Yeah, sometimes it's just best to like not see things this close. I mean, the shot looks awesome, but there's like dirt and little bugs. I don't really like them. Now it's time for a front-facing camera test. The thing that I've noticed is this is so similar to the Pixel 9 Pro already that it feels so natural. The video looks incredible, the photos are amazing, but you just have that extra fold. Here we go, front-facing. We're just walking here. Anytime I'm doing these tests, I don't know, I don't really have much to say. The other thing is there's actually another front-facing camera in the inside. Okay, time to unfold. Here we go. Okay, here's the other front-facing inside camera. It's kind of wild. There's so many cameras on this thing. But really, if I am gonna be filming like this, I might as well just film with the rear-facing camera in the selfie mode because it just makes so much more sense and the quality is way better. So I've got a little zoom here on the inside camera, but if we're vlogging, we definitely want to keep this out. The other thing that I kind of like about the Fold is you can use it as like a little tripod. The video quality and stabilization on this thing is awesome. Like I'm moving around, I'm moving, I'm grooving, and I love that this gives us multiple zoom options. 0.5, 1, 2, and 5. So this gives you a lot of flexibility when you're out filming. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold's main display is an 8-inch Super Actual Flex display with a peak brightness of 2700 nits. When folded, the outer display is a 6.3-inch OLED, which is super convenient for quick tasks. Both displays are really bright, vibrant, and incredibly sharp, just like the screens on the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pro XL. After spending some time with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, I can tell you that this phone is a powerhouse. It's versatile and is packed with features that make it more than just a cool gadget. It's so useful in everyday situations, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or you just want to have that bigger screen for watching content. The Fold has got you covered. Now, if you prefer a more traditional phone design, then the Pixel 9 Pro is still an incredible choice. Thanks again to Google for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, you can pick up the Pixel 9 Pro Fold or any of the other Pixel 9 series devices right here in this video. And remember, for the first 200 viewers, if you use the code IJustNeedIt at checkout, you'll get $50 off your purchase on all of the new Pixel 9 phones. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos, and leave me some comments below and let me know what you guys think of the new Pixel 9 series phones. And I'm so hyped about this Fold. I love that folding phones are a thing.